Norm and I had an interesting experience actually connected with GetSetUp. I
Oh,
attended a cooking class 2 days ago, attended by lots of folks, so the screen only contained a portion of the attendees. About an hour later, I got a call from a woman who was in that class, and she identified herself, and she was someone I had hired 50 years ago to work for me, she and her husband. So we got reacquainted. She had moved to Alaska and come back. Without getting into a lot of detail, in addition to catching up, her husband used to work for American Motors and always told me he had this exotic car. Even though I headed up the Bureau of Automotive Regulation, I know nothing about cars. She sent me a video. She finally sold the car after keeping it in hiding all these years, and it was identified as the rarest American, what do they call it, muscle car in the world. It was bought by a museum for ungodly amount of money. Anyway, we're just one of those peculiar things that happen. So we know one another now on Facebook again.
how many years had it been since you had seen her?
45 maybe.
Wow, that's really something. Did you even recognize her after all that time?